new video. So basically this week I'm doing a video on an unboxing. I haven't actually done one of these before. I've wanted to do one a couple of times, but you know, like never actually had the chance to. So today I'm actually doing an unboxing video, and I've got a couple of things. So all these things that came from I believe India. Yeah, they came from India. So I got one big parcel over here, right? So this parcel I got literally today, and I've got like a bunch of clothes that I got from India whilst my dad was away, so he brought them over, and my mum sent them from India. So yeah, so basically I got a ton of clothes here and I got a ton of these. I am going out on New Year's, so hopefully I could wear some of these and show you guys. So basically so if we start off with this bad boy, so I'm literally going to open this, and I couldn't find a knife, but I found my husband's work knife, so this will have to do. I just don't want to rip the clothes, so I think I should be okay. Wait, let's just take first. Alright, and there's the box, well, yeah, full of stuff. Right, so this parcel actually came from seekaccessories.com. They're actually an online brand, and I think they're amazing because they, like, I understand, I've had a couple of messages and comments saying individuals around the world find it difficult to find the Stalk kapda. Well, this brand is an online website, and you can order any color, like I mean any color, and you can get it in like the star material, you can get it in like bug material, you can get whatever material you need. They have it, and you can literally go onto the website. It is seekaccessories.com. You literally search them up and you're able to swipe and see what the stars you want, especially if you're abroad. I know it can be really difficult, so I think it's amazing. They have such a big variety, and you can basically order whatever. They also do, I believe, shastras. I believe they do kurpana, a couple of the star shastras. They do PHULKARIS, which I also, you know, got my hands on. So yeah, if I explain this now in Punjabi for those who want to know as well. So basically I ordered kita seekaccessories.com to, and basically ਇਹ ਉੱਦਾਂ ਦੀ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਤੋਂ ਚੱਲਦੀ ਆ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਆਨਲਾਈਨ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਵੈਬਸਾਈਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ, ਸੋ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਦਸਤਾਰ ਜਾਂ ਪੱਗ ਦਾ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲ ਖਰੀਦ ਸਕਦੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕੋ। ਹਰੇਕ ਕਲਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕੋ, ਹਰੇਕ ਕਲਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਕਲਰ ਪੁੱਛ ਲਓ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕੋ ਹੋਊਗਾ। ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕੋਲ ਕਿਰਪਾਨਾਂ ਵੀ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਦਸਤਾਰ ਦੇ ਸ਼ਸਤਰ ਵੀ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ, ਸਲਾਈਆਂ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਵੀ ਹੈਗੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਦਸਤਾਰ ਬੰਨਣ ਲੱਗੇ ਵਰਤਦੇ ਆ। ਤੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਫੁਲਕਾਰੀਆਂ ਪਸੰਦ ਆ, ਫੁਲਕਾਰੀਆਂ ਵੀ ਮਿਲਦੀਆਂ ਆ, ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਆਰਡਰ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਸੀ। ਸੋ yes, yeah, so basically I will show you now I'll show you what I got. So the first two items at the top are these two PHULKARIS. Right, so we have one navy coloured one, and it's like all, how do I explain it? So basically it's like hand, oh wow, dude, this the quality. Okay, so basically this is a dupatta, and the embroidery is like, yeah, it's like hand embroidery. Can you see that? Can you see how pretty this is? So this is actually a navy color, but look at the colors, like it's, wow, I'm in love. I'm literally in love. So yeah, that's what the dupatta is. It's amazing for like programs, and like even if it's a house program or like a small, I don't know, a juggle program or something, and literally you can wear this with like a navy or like blue suit, or even like a yellow suit. Oh my god, imagine a yellow suit with this. I wanna do that now. I need to buy a yellow suit. So but yeah, this is the first dupatta. And yeah, that's that. This one is a bit more lighter in the sense, but it's like this. So it's also, this is Phulkari obviously, and it's pink, and yeah, basically I don't know what the material is, but it's like really shiny. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, and basically, so it's got like a thick border, but it's like the side borders, like the side borders are super thick, which is kind of cute, and it can be a vibe. Like obviously this on what's it called, a jago occasion again, or like a house program or anything, like you can pull this off really well, and you can wear it with basically any of these colors and it would go real well. So yeah, that's one. So I also ordered the DASTARS. So basically, like I said before, they also do the DASTARS. So I ordered pure veil material. I ordered a couple of colors. Oh wow, I have not got some of these colors. I think I might have this one, or it might be a bit lighter than this. So the first color I got was this color. Let me see if I can find the names on the DASTARS that I got. Product number 644. So it's like a blue, like a dark blue green kind of color, but yeah, that's the color. So it's super nice. Yeah, just needs a bit of a wipe, but yeah, once obviously you buy these, you wash them before you use them, because otherwise the material is really hard and it starts hurting your ears and stuff. The second one that I also got was like this really light, it's like a, I've got a light blue, but this is like a darker, greener version. It's like a mint light blue. It's hard to explain, but I don't know if, yeah, there we go. So that's the colour I got. I'm super into light colours, like especially a light blue. But yeah, this one is, let's have a look. This is product number 413. If you guys did want to grab it, you know, for those who are interested. So I got another, oh, I'm in love. I have not got this colour and I'm in love. Like if you see, it's like a mustardy gold colour. I'm in love, literally. This one, so let's have a look. Right, I'm just having a look and see. So this is product number 429. It looks different in the picture, but I'm not gonna lie, I really like this colour. But yeah, majority of the colours are pretty much accurate. They're just a slightly bit, so I would say they are slightly bit darker, but you know. So I've got this colour as well. So I'm also into a lot of browns, and I've only got one brown style, which I also like, but I was like, oh my god, look, it looks like a rust, it's like a rusty brown. Rusty brown, guys, rusty brown. I'm like, this is the first time I'm opening these, so I'm like a bit hyper, so I'm sorry. But this one is a tamba color. Tamba, I don't know, dumba I would suggest. But yeah, it's like this. It's okay, I don't know why it's a bit brighter, but it's more of a, it's a slightly darker shade than what the camera is showing at the moment. But I mean, I'm still in love, you know, like, can you imagine me wearing this? I can. Okay, right, next we have, so we've got this colour. So this is like a mendy green, like a super mendy green colour. And I believe this is the colour light brown, I would assume. Light brown. Does it look brown? Yeah, it's kind of a brown, but it's like a more of a mendy brown, if that makes sense. So yeah, I've got this colour too. So these are the items that I got from Seek Accessories. Yeah, so like I said, go hit them up. Literally seekaccessories.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. They've also got an Instagram page if you wanted to check that out. Also called Seek Accessories, I believe. So yeah, go do that. Especially if you really wanted to start, like, they're the best people to go to. I mean, I don't really know them. I do know a couple of companies that do online, like, the star material, but not with the large variety like they do. I mean, give them a shout if you ever need anything. Okay, so moving on. Next set of clothes that I got. So I got a couple of suits and the dupatte. So so basically I got a couple of dupatte. Let me show you. Okay, so I'm super into this Banarsi stuff. So I've got one, it's like a plum. It's like a plum. Yeah, plum. So I've got this plum Banarsi dupatta. Isn't it gorgeous, guys? Like, I mean, I'm in love. But yeah, my mum sent me that from India, and I've got this one, and then I've got another Banarsi dupatta, which is a yellow color. Can you guys see that? Wait. So yeah, like, oh yeah, yes. So it's like yes. But yeah, so I've got two Banarsi dupatte. I got a white one as well, but I received that before in the post. I got four suits. So my first one, I actually got basic plain suits, but I mean, if you think about it, I could mix and match everything easily. So my first one was, so this chenille, it's like a, yeah, royal blue chenille suit. It's a bit, yeah, so it's just a normal, you know, kameez. That's the neckline, and I've got a zip on the back of it. And I've got super, okay, I don't have super long arms, but I like the whole crunchy arm stuff. And so yeah, this is my arm, but obviously it's like crunches up at the front and you have my hand basically. But yeah, this is one of them. And look, so if you see this, OMG guys, look, I could wear this together. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, I'm telling you. But yeah, so you got this, and what else did I get? Okay, so I've got a black kameez as well. So I got this in self print material, same long sleeved blouse. Obviously this is the blouse. I've got the salwars are exactly the same, so I don't there's no point me showing you the salwars. But I've got this in like a self print material. So if you can, do you see that? Oh wait, it's not focusing properly, is it? But yeah, if you can, I think you can guess the vibe. Like, it's like a self print obviously. And yeah, I got a self print black, and then I got a self print white suit, same long sleeved, exactly the same. They're like identical to each other, but obviously do you see that? Yes, that's the print I got. So yeah, they're the three I've got, because I didn't really have any plain suits, but I wanted that, and I wanted a light blue suit. Like I told you, I'm obsessed with light blue, so I decided to get a light blue suit. So this is a suit I got. I don't know where it's from, so don't ask me, because my mum got it for me, so I don't know exactly where she got it from. But yeah, I got this light blue colour, and then at the bottom it's like got this border and embroidery. This is like a quarter sleeve, so I don't do this full sleeved. And same salwar, the salwar is exactly the same colour, and it's like plain. And then on top of that, I've got, this is the dupatta that came with it, so it's another Banarsi style, and it's also blue. I'm in love. And yeah, so yeah, it's like this, that's the dupatta. But isn't it gorgeous? But yeah, I mean, I can't wait to wear this. I don't know where I'm going to wear this to, but I'll find a place to wear it to, you know. But yeah, I think that's basically the end of the video. This is all the stuff that I've received in the last couple of days, well, either today or like last couple of days. And yeah, that's basically my, you know, December haul, I guess. I mean, but yeah, it's an unboxing video. You've seen me unbox material. I'm just like, guys, I can't get over this. But yeah, anyways, what was I gonna say? Yeah, obviously if you want a DASTARS or anything like that, go see seekaccessories.com. Like I said, links in the description. Instagram's the same. Go check them out, say hi, and you know, say that X4 sent you if you want to. But yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and until next time, stay fearless and keep going. Bye.